Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add long text on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to add long writings to your videos and make it look more interesting, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Choose one video that you want to edit. Now here you can find the option of text. Simply tap on it. Now again tap onto the text option right here. Now add long text that you want to add to your video, just like this. And after writing the text, simply tap onto the check mark right here. Now you can also change the color and the fonts of the long text, and you can edit it however you want to add. Now you can see it is a very easy process to add the long text. And that's it. This is how you can add long text on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.